Oh shit, oh take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like circus show. Like, this is not the album either, these are just a dope.
Hey yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? This is Games for Days, and I'm back in the editing business, baby. So if you want an Instagram shout out, use the hashtag GameGang, and I'll shout you out with the post that I see. My Instagram is games.for.days, so go follow it. And today I'm proud to finally bring you the Walking Dead base build, Neagan. Our Kim-loving ghoul-slaying psychopath roams the wasteland with his barbed bat and hatred for anything that goes against him. He doesn't have companions and can't stand when anybody disrespects his people. Remember the timestamp links in the description if you want to skip a section or go back after you watched it. But for now, the backstory. Our little monster was always kinda that from the beginning. He didn't enjoy other people's company, but he loved ping pong and baseball. He chose them out as his favorites in grade school. They were in different semesters, so he thought they were perfect duo. He played until he graduated and won state in both of them in his senior year, and so he went on to university to be a coach for both. When he received his job, it was like old times, and the fact that he was playing the sport that he loved, even if it was just teaching others. He noticed the ping pong team was slipping one day, so he started having practices at his home in the garage, and this led to complaints from the parents. No, not anything amorous, just the fact that he'd get frustrated and accidentally let a curse word slip. This led to him being fired, and he chose to go into the military for a living instead. He served in the melee department, remembering his baseball knowledge, and was sent home with honors. He met Nora at a bar, and they had a romantic dating life. They got married, had Sean, then on October 27th, 2077, we know what happens. Let's just get on with it. At the beginning of the game, his special stats will be 5 strength, 3 perception, 4 endurance, 6 charisma, 6 intelligence, 2 agility, and 2 luck. For the perks, I chose Big Leagues, Toughness, Gunslinger, Commando, Bloody Mess, Gun Nut, Life Giver, Chem Resistant, Locksmith, Adamantium Skeleton, Chemist, and Party Boy. Only 2 ranks of Bloody Mess were taken, as I didn't see the need for the other 2, and you'll add 1 strength and 2 endurance over the entire course of the game. For his gear, I chose a barbed baseball bat, a bull barrel advanced .44 pistol, and a recoil compensated powerful handmade automatic rifle. He wears the Atom Cat's jacket and jeans and patrolman sunglasses. He uses the bat the majority of the time and only uses the guns when he knows he's outgunned. For quest lines, he'll choose to stick with the Minutemen because he sees all the potential in having servants following him blindly. He'll kill the Mechanists, cause total chaos in Far Harbor, and choose the Pack and the Disciples in Nuka World, and then take over the Commonwealth as well. So that's basically the build. If you want to know why I chose the perks, comment below, and I'll do a show-off of Neagan and explain it in that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check out the other builds I have on this channel, and there's going to be many, many more coming soon. Don't forget about the Instagram shout-out and how to get a shout-out for anything else, both in the description and somewhere in the iCards. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please check out Mara McQueen, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.